Hey there, Lisa and I just got done watching Young Sheldon. There are 7 seasons. We just finished the 7th season tonight. The show started in 2017, and each episode is around the 20-minute to 25-minute mark. The premise is a very intelligent young boy, 9-year-old Sheldon, and his family, and his adventures by being a really intelligent kid
in high school and then
and school in general, and
college,
like just his experiences with his family, and his intelligence in school, his friends, and everything in between.
Yeah.
I thought
and we've watched it over the last 7 years as it actually came out.
I thought the final season was done really well. There was a lot of things they did in the final season.
Yeah.
In general, the final season,
they,
season 7, they really had a lot of things going on.
Yeah, you could say they had a big bang of the last season.
Yeah, they did. Definitely. And the final episode, oh my goodness, very emotional. Actually,
the finale, 2-part.
The final 3 episodes, final 3 episodes or 2 episodes.
There was 2 for the finale.
Final 3 episodes. I would say pretty hardcore.
Intense.
Done really well. Very emotional. We were both in tears multiple times.
The actors did great. Like phenomenal. The story, everything.
The show is a feel-good family comedy. I would definitely recommend it. I'll put the trailer below. Or I'll link it. And if you've seen Young Sheldon, what'd you think of the series? I try not to do any spoilers in this because I'm sure some people may have not seen final episodes or even final season or something yet. So, but yeah, if you could, don't put any spoilers, but what did you think of the show in general? If you haven't seen the entire show, have you seen any episodes? And if you have, did you like them?
Yeah.
I'd say for a TV series, I would give this 5 out of 5.
Yeah, and if you haven't seen any of the series relating to Sheldon, like the Big Bang Theory after, technically before, if you haven't seen any of it, this would be perfect to start and then watch the before show.
Oh,
because
absolutely.
it would just let the storyline just go really
continue
solid.
on, yeah.
Yeah, so, but yeah, phenomenal. I wish I could forget it and just watch it all over again. It's been
but yeah, 5 out of 5 stars with quality.
Definitely 5,
Definitely would recommend. And I could see me watching this again from the start at some point in a few years.
Yeah.
It just was that good that it's certainly a good show to have on in the background if you've already watched it once through the seasons, to have it on, because the characters are just really, really like fully developed, very lovable. You're able to really connect with the characters pretty early on in the series.
And they kept the same actors throughout the whole thing, so it's not like they substituted or like no one left the series.
Which is kind of cool when you see a kid grow up on camera.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's kind of a neat thing to see. And I thought they cast it perfectly. Like every position was perfectly cast. So.
Sad to see it go, but I say they ended it perfect timing for the series and everything. So
highly recommend. If you haven't seen it, check it out.
Get some binge watching going.
And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.